Hey YouTube, this is Lee, the crazy CNC guy, and I'm learning FreeCAD, and therefore I have stuff that I don't know and I'm learning. Anyway, so here we go. Well, all I'm going to do is move this part down into this sheet so that it'd be ready for CNC. And if I look at the front edge, you can see that this part is up out of the material. So I'm going to go to perspective view because I can't stand that other straight on whatever. Anyway, so it's up out of the part, and there's a couple things we need to do. I normally start, I'm in the part design or I'm in the part workbench and then I try and select this part and move it around, and I just don't have a whole lot of control over it. And what I found is that if I move to the draft workbench and then I select the part out of the tree and I go and I turn on my snaps and make sure that this snap is the endpoint snap. So I make sure that this is on and this is on, and then what I can do is click on the part, making sure the part is selected, and then I click move, and then on the keyboard I want to move it down in Z, so I hit Z, and then I can select any of the points that are on the plane that I want to move to this plane. So let's just I'll click that one, and then I'll click this one here. I can click this one here, and it's only moving in Z up and down. You see that? But it's going to move to that level of whatever I pick. Let's do it again. So what part is this? That's this one. So I'm going to select that, select it, then I'm going to hit move. I'm going to grab a point on this face, and then I'll hit Z, so it's only moving in Z, and then I'll collect that back corner of that sheet. Same thing here. Let's do it again. Which part is this? Okay, so main 5, move. I'm going to click on that corner, Z, and then click that corner back there, because we're only moving it up and down, and that back corner is flat. It's one of these corners of the material. I hope that was useful and helpful. Have a great day.